Assalamualaikum. My dear students, you are welcome to Cambrian Virtual Classroom. Here I am presenting my English class, online English class on behalf of Cambrian Virtual Classroom, and today we will learn English first paper for HSC class student, and this class is useful for first year student as well as second year student. Not only that, for those students who are already taking preparation or waiting for the examination. That means English first paper, English for today. This class is useful both for first year, new first year we can tell, for second year as well as the examinees who are waiting for the examination. So, you are most welcome to our Cambrian Virtual Classroom, and now we will learn English for HSC level for class 11 and 12 and for the exam. And it's first year. Now, let us see, before going to the main lesson, I am giving my introduction. I am Abdul Razzaq Sarkar, Associate Professor, Department of English, Cambrian College. So, from here we can tell or we can imagine that it is a classroom, and in this classroom we will learn today English first paper. Let us have a look on some pictures. That means I am not going to the class directly. At first I am trying to show you some pictures, and having the sight of that picture, try to guess what we are going to learn today. So, dear students, here you have three portraits, three great persons. You know him, and him also. Our national poet Kazi Nazrul Islam, then Dr. Muhammad Shahidullah, the great linguist for Bangla, and he is considered as the as one of the greatest linguists in the world. And then Bill Gates, our business magnate. That means these three people are from three different sectors. All of them are great in their respective field. And here these pictures indicates that we are going to learn today about some renowned, revered or respected persons throughout the world. Photos of some famous people are here. Here you can see the portrait, the great figure, the great leader, the leader of the world. Once upon a time, he had to struggle for something, you know. Who is he? He is Nelson Mandela. And we are going to read a text dealing with Nelson Mandela. And in English for today, you know, there are some description, some biography of some different persons from different field. And in unit 1, lesson 1, we get it. But there is change in unit and lesson. That is not the factor, but the lesson may be in unit 2 or unit 3 according in different years it has been arranged. Even today, in this year, we have heard that the textbook for English for today is going to be changed. But this lesson is in your English for today, and as I have told you, this is for both years students, and we are going to learn about Nelson Mandela with the text. You know, the text reading is very important That is why in my lecture I have included the text with the lesson. So, today we are learning Unit 1, People or Institutions Making History. Unit may be changed according to the books published in different years, but the lesson is there. Nelson Mandela, from apartheid fighter to president. That means he was fighting against some discrimination, and from that fighting he achieved something. He achieved his goal, and at last he became the president of South Africa. Nelson Mandela, from apartheid fighter to president. And our learning outcome is like that. After completing this lesson, it will be possible for you to understand or to know about Nelson Mandela and his struggle. You will be able to know about Nelson Mandela's life and his activities, his struggle, and similarly you will be able to know or discuss on race discrimination. Nelson Mandela fought against racial discrimination. These fighting activities and his great activities are included in this lesson, and you will get it. Nelson Mandela was born in 1918 and died in 2013. Nelson Mandela, from apartheid fighter to president. My dear student, look at the buildings, very prominent building, very famous building, and here you have see the inscription Reuters, and here Reuters building, Canary Wharf, London, one of the business center of London. Economically this place is very important, and here you have the Reuters building, and there are elements which we are going to discuss today. It is provided by news agency Thomson Reuters Corporation. From there Reuters building is here. As we know, the elements is news agency provided elements. Look at the picture. Here you can see Nelson Mandela with his people is in demonstration, is in procession, and they are demonstrating, and from their appearance it is shown that they are demanding for something. And here you have got the point, boycott apartheid. That means no racial discrimination should be accepted. Everybody should boycott it. And come to the text here. Nelson Mandela guided South Africa from the shackles of apartheid to a multiracial democracy. Shackles, শৃঙ্খল। নেলসন ম্যান্ডেলা সাউথ আফ্রিকাকে মুক্ত করেছেন মাল্টিরেসিয়াল ডেমোক্রেসি, হ্যাঁ, একটা গণতান্ত্রিক রাষ্ট্রে পরিণত করতে চেয়েছেন, বহু জাতি অধ্যুষিত এরকমের। তার সেই শৃঙ্খল থেকে মুক্ত করার জন্য তিনি ফাইট করেছেন, সাউথ আফ্রিকাকে গাইড করেছেন, নিয়ে গিয়েছেন সেদিকে যে এটাতে এমন এক ধরনের গণতন্ত্র থাকবে যেখানে বর্ণ বৈষম্য থাকবে না। As an icon of peace, at last he became the idol, a person who is followed by the other part of the world, and came to embody the struggle for justice around the world. That means his fight was considered as a fight for demanding or establishing justice around the world. তাহলে নেলসন ম্যান্ডেলা এমন একটা গণতন্ত্র করতে চান, তার দেশটাকে এমনভাবে গড়ে তুলতে চান যেখানে কোনো বৈষম্য থাকবে না, বর্ণ বৈষম্য থাকবে না, এবং তিনি সারা বিশ্বে ন্যায় বিচার প্রতিষ্ঠা করার একজন আইকনে পরিণত হন, আইডলে পরিণত হন। As text reading is very important, that is why I have included here the text. Now go to the next slide. He is looking outside inside the prison bar. He is in the prison, and you know he was imprisoned for this type of struggle, and is looking outside. And here you have some inscription, no one is born hating another. It is his speech. This speech is also related against racial discrimination. He is in the prison, our Nelson Mandela. And here imprisoned for nearly 3 decades for his fight against white minority rule. That means when he was fighting against racial discrimination, then South Africa was dominated by white people, but the number of white people was less in comparison to black people, though they were less in quantity, but they were ruling the country, and he was imprisoned by those rulers. They imprisoned him. Mandela never lost his resolve to fight for his people's emancipation. Mukti, emancipation hoche liberation. He was fighting for the liberation of his people, black people. That means it was his fault. For this fault, he was imprisoned, and he was nearly 3 decades. Decades, দশক, অর্থাৎ প্রায় 30 বছরের মতো। 30 বছর না, 30 বছরের কাছাকাছি, 27 বছর এরকম। It is the text. Then go to the next slide. And vocabulary is very important. The lesson, the lines or the text which I have already read out, there you got some difficult word, and I have included the meaning here. Here you had got shackles, this is bond, বন্ধন, তাদের যে হচ্ছে শৃঙ্খল, কিসের শৃঙ্খল ছিল? বর্ণ বৈষম্যের শৃঙ্খলে বাধা ছিল, সেটাকে বুঝিয়েছেন তিনি shackles. রিজাল্ট, তার ফার্মনেস, তিনি যে ফাইট করেছেন এগেনস্ট রেসিয়াল ডিসক্রিমিনেশন, সেই ফার্মনেসটা তার মধ্যে কিন্তু ছিল, যদিও তাকে জেলখানায় ভরা হয়েছিল। দো হি ওয়াজ ইমপ্রিজন্ড, হি ডিডন্ট লুজ হিজ রিজলভ। দেন ফার্মনেস। Here emancipation, liberation, he was fighting for the emancipation of his black people, that was told in the text. Charisma is spirituality, spiritual quality, the quality which is adored, which is extraordinary. This charisma was in his leading quality. And then here you have manifestation, that means showing, that means racial discrimination was also shown in different activities. There they have used here manifestation. And here you have the word chasms. You will get this word just a bit later. Chasms, fracture, সমাজের ক্ষত, ভাঙ্গন, এই ব্যাপারগুলোতে তিনি কি কাজ করেছিলেন, এই ওয়ার্ড মিনিংগুলো এখানে নিয়ে আসা হয়েছে শুধুমাত্র এই জন্য, টেক্সটটা যাতে তুমি ভালো বুঝতে পারো সেই জন্য। ওকে, গো টু দ্য নেক্সট স্লাইড. Look at the people. Here you have 2 people, 1 people, this people. From their appearance, it is indicated that they are holding here, they are containing 2 placards. It is written, "Is it because of my color that I am called civilized?" His appearance shows that he is white people, and here he is black, and he is telling that, "Is it because of my color that I am called uncivilized?" That means civilized and uncivilized, these 2 categories cannot be like that. That means a person cannot be considered as civilized only for white color, and a person cannot be considered as uncivilized only for his black color. It should not be. They have told it, and it was the motto of Nelson Mandela to equalize both of them. And this shows racial discrimination is existing in the society of South Africa. It was then. Even not only that, in workplace, racial discrimination at workplace, everywhere there was racial discrimination. Black people were separated or segregated from the white people. It was the common feature, it was the common activities demonstrated in South Africa, and Nelson Mandela was fighting against this. He was against it, he was demanding to equalize both of them. And this slide is only with the text. Look at the text. It is the belief of Nelson Mandela. He told, I hate race discrimination most intensely. That means he hated racial discrimination, and it was deep. Not only he was not just hating, his intent of hating was deep. From the core of his heart, he does not believe it. And in all its manifestations, that means there were any showing activities that some people are black and white in their society, there was the demonstration of racism, and he hated it. I have fought it all during my life, and it is his tale that আমি সারা জীবন ধরে এর বিরুদ্ধে ফাইট করেছি করি I will fight it now, এখনো আমি এটার বিরুদ্ধে ফাইট করব, and will do so until the end of my days. End of my days, that means end of till his death. তার মৃত্যুর পর্যন্ত তিনি এটার বিরুদ্ধে ফাইট করে যাবেন. It is his decision, it is his resolve, it is his statement, proclamation. এটা তিনি করবেন. তারপর তিনি ম্যান্ডেলা said it in his acceptance speech on becoming South Africa's first black president in 1994. In 1994, he became president of South Africa. Though he was black, he succeeded to gain his position of the president. And country people accepted him. In his acceptance meeting gathering, in front of the acceptance gathering, he delivered this speech. সেই তাকে যখন সম্বর্ধনা দেওয়া হয় 1994 সালে প্রেসিডেন্ট হিসেবে, সেই জায়গায় তিনি এই কথাগুলা বলেছিলেন। এবং আরও বলেছেন কি, দ্য টাইম ফর দ্য হিলিং অফ দ্য উন্ডস হ্যাজ কাম। দ্যাট মিনস অলরেডি দেয়ার are many fractures. Many fractures had already been created in the society of South Africa. But after being president in 1994, he told that now time has come to heal up, to cure that wounds. They can cover it. It was then, there are different types of problems, but it should not continue in the society. It should be healed. It should be removed. Time has come to solve those problems. He told it. And then the moment to bridge means conjunct করা, junction করা, সংযুক্ত করে দিবে, সেই সময় এসেছে। কি সংযুক্ত করে দিবে? Bridge the chasms that divide us has come. That means black people and white people were separated. Black people were segregated also. They were marooned in the own country. সে জায়গার মধ্যে উনি বলেছেন যে এখন এই যে আমাদের মধ্যে ফ্র্যাকচারগুলো রয়েছে, ভাঙনগুলো রয়েছে, সেগুলো এখন ঠিক করে নেওয়ার, সংযুক্ত করে দেওয়ার সময় এসেছে। এ কথাটা তিনি বলেছেন। Not only that, he also told, we have at last achieved our political emancipation. He was fighting for emancipation. He was fighting for emancipation from political emancipation. He demanded for political emancipation. He was also demanding for racial discrimination. It was his main motto, and with that he also wanted to get emancipation from political difference. In political there should be no difference. Now go to the next slide. Here he is in jolly mood. He is showing the crest, showing the certificate with another person. Look,